Hi, hello, and welcome back to another new video of learning Excel from beginner level to the advanced. So, in today's video, we are going to look about how to consolidate the data from different sheets to a single sheet. So, before we jump into this, I would like to ask you all to please kindly subscribe my channel and click on the notification bar so that you will be the very first person to get all the updates. Okay, so coming back to this video, here we will be learning how a consolidated report works. So ideally consolidating is something where we try to merge different sheets of data into a single sheet. For example, I want to merge northern region data, southern region data and central region data into a tab. So for this what I need to do is I need to go to the detail data tab. Once I go on the data tab, here you will be finding consolidation under the ribbon of data tools. If you click on the consolidation, so here you would be having a multiple functions like sum, count, average, max, mini, product, count, numbers, xyz and all. So since I just wanted to merge the data, so I will be selecting sum. Once I select the sum, I need to take the reference. So for taking the reference, as I mentioned in my previous video, click on the arrow key. Now go to the northern region and select the entire data range. Now once you select the entire data range, click on this downwards arrow. Once you click on this, here you would be finding an option called add. So select that option and again browse for the data from the southern region, because already we have selected data from the northern region. So now we are selecting it from the southern region. Click on add. Do the same thing for the central region as well. Now add. So here I would like to give you all one suggestion, but it's a key suggestion for everyone. That is, whenever you're working on consolidating the data with the help of data under the data tab and consolidation, so whenever you are passing the reference, make sure like you never pass multiple references of a same sheet. That leads to an error. Okay, so once you selected all this sheets like northern, southern and central, now we need to pass this data here, right? So let's click here, but before we click there, select the top row and left to right column. Now let's click on OK. Here it's appearing because I selected this one, right? So instead of that, now what we can do is like we can delete, since we are aware about this process. As a reference, again I'm starting from here, that is in an A3 cell. Click on consolidation sum. Since all this are being added, so I'm gonna click on OK. Boom, I got my data here. Just for the comparison, what we will be doing is uh, let's see Apple. The total of Apple sales in the month of April for all the regions: northern $20, $10, 30 plus 5 equals to $35. So it is appearing correct. So we are just trying to do a spot check, and let's look into the utilities for the month of July since it's showing blank. So we do not have any utilities here. Um, Anything here as well for July month? Neither here for the July month. So that is the reason in the July tab, utilities are showing as error or blank. So this is how we do a spot check, and I hope you people like this video. And also I'll be attaching a practice file here in the description. So go check out the practice file and try practicing this. Thank you so much.